Hi guys, this is SK. Come with me. Mag-attend tag meeting the event sa SSLG election.
The loudest or most popular, but it's about who will.
Ang inyong kasamtangan nga SK Federation President diri sa munisipyo sa Santa Josefa, no? So di ay a little trivia sa akong kaugalingon, nidagan po ko og SSG sa una. Yeah.
Bitlisiw man ang pangalan sa iyong party list nga.
You feel included. So Bitlisiw means the first.
And I am July Calabadan, running for SSLG Auditor, and I hope nga iboto ko ninyo, and not just me, but also the Bitlisiw party list. Thank you!
Party list, where we aim to let the flow of the youth guide resilient, inclusive, and driven governance for everyone. Remember, progress doesn't stop. On Party List!
SG nga, last year o karon nga year is I'm currently a grade 11 representative, and di ko mag-promise, no? Kung ako man madaog, kung kaluyan ako madaog, ako himo ng tanan para mabago atong eskwelahan. O ako para sa kabataan ang makatulog ang makatulog kabaguhan sa atong eskwelahan. Vote Agos party list.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Baka Miggy yan!
Pagpupugay at makabagong araw sa ating lahat. I am Miggy Wario Abadjes, aspiring for the position of Supreme Secondary Learners Government Grade 8 Representative under the Agos Kabataan Party List, and your current Grade 7 Representative. I am too proud to serve you all, and now I am knocking your hand to vote me as your Grade 8 Representative.
Position, don't forget to write my name in your ballot, Roger C. Magluyan. By the way, I am...
How do you feel, boards?
It's great.
Do you feel nice?
Yes. Tomorrow again.
Congrats.
Thank you.